tell us a little bit about MedPay?
Sure. Thanks, Varun. Hi, my name is Ravi. I'm the co-founder and CEO of MedPay. So I have another co-founder and CEO, Arun Bhatia. So together, we are building an AI-powered platform that enables insurance companies with access to a large OPD network, plus technology to process cashless claims in real time. That's what we're building at MedPay.
How long have you guys been operational?
To be honest, we started this back in December 2019 as a market research, and then gradually me and Arun met at Entrepreneur First cohort. We are part of their February 2020 cohort. So since then, we've been working on this MedPay.
How are you guys communicating with your customers using WhatsApp, and how has IOLAMP been able to help you with that?
WhatsApp, that's where we tried experimenting with WhatsApp communication, and we have seen a drastic increase in terms of people responding to WhatsApp and number of people who are calling back because they have received some communication on WhatsApp, right? So that's where we started moving all our transactional communication over WhatsApp today, and we hardly use any SMS.
Interesting. Do you have some sort of numbers and what sort of maybe ROI or callback rate you sort of start to see with WhatsApp as opposed to other channels? Is there some number that you can share on that front? Yeah.
Sure. So before WhatsApp, usually we see conversion rate of almost 3 to 4%, right? So when I say conversion rate, this is actually open rate, right? If we send to 100 people, hardly 3 to 4 people used to open and read the communication. But when it comes to WhatsApp communication, we are seeing a decent double-digit number, which is in the tunes of 20 to 25%. Right? That's a percentage of people who are actually reading our messages, and that's where we are trying to engage with them. So with other communication modes of calling and other things.
What is in store for MedPay for the next 12 months?
Sure. So Varun, we wanted to build India's largest OPD network. So today, due to lack of technology-enabled OPD network, it's a kind of a showstopper for insurance companies to operate OPD in India. Right. So our goal is in the next 12 months, we want to become the largest OPD network for enabling not just the insurers, but also other payers in the ecosystem with access to the network using APIs and ability to process cash claims or discounts, whatever they want to do with our network, everything using APIs.